Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Xbox is online and your controller is responsive. This prevents stuck screens. Sign into any admin account if you're not already signed in because you cannot remove the only active admin. Once done, open the guide with the Xbox button and navigate to the profile icon. This is where accounts are managed. Make sure you identify the exact gamer tag or email to remove so you don't delete the wrong profile. This saves time and avoids mistakes. Next, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and open Account Management to reach Remove Accounts. You'll see profiles stored on the console. Select the exact account you noted earlier and choose Remove. This deletes only the local sign-in data and any cached files, not the Microsoft/Xbox account itself, so your purchases stay safe. After you confirm, allow the console a moment to process the removal. Make sure to recheck the top right corner to verify the profile is gone before proceeding. Finish by restarting the Xbox to clear residual session data and ensure the removal is applied. If the profile reappears, it may be tied to cache saves. Go to System Storage and clear local saved games for that profile, then try removing again. For persistent sync problems, sign into your Microsoft account online and unlink the device or change password to force sign-outs. If you need help, contact Xbox support, but usually a restart and clearing local saves resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.